Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome to Colorful Creations. Thanks for joining me for another acrylic core video today. I've been posting once or twice a week whenever I have time. It's winter, so I have more time right now. We'll see what happens in the summer. But for now, it's doing pretty good. So if you subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell, and that way you'll get notified whenever I post new videos so you don't miss it. I'll show you the canvas in a minute here, and we'll go over some colors. Watch the video right to the end though, because I'll show you the dried results. And let me know what you think in the comments. If you like it, hate it, like be honest. I want to know. If it sucks, tell me. I learned from that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do a swipe on this 12 by 12 canvas. I'll show you the colors as I put them on. I'm not gonna bore you with them now. They're all mixed how I normally mix them. There's a link to a video in the description with my recipe and everything. They're mixed on the thicker side today. The Cell Activator actually is the only one that's mixed different, and I find that to make cells, it just has to be heavier than the rest so it sinks through when you pull it across. So I'm just using a titanium white today for this one, and I have this one mixed with 1 part paint, 4 parts floetrol, and a little water, so it's a lot thinner, just kind of runs right in. Actually, I think I'm wanting this to be a little bit thinner. I'm gonna add a little water to that here for a little bit. That's better. I have just a regular white that I'm going to use for this base. I always found that the sides, the edge is hard to cover. And I'm actually going to add a little extra along the edges. I want that to run over. So that will just run over when I swipe the paints across, and just make sure that edge gets covered. Here's the most annoying part, just cut off the paper towel. It doesn't have to be even, just that should be enough. I'm just gonna go dampen this. All right, here we go. So they're just dampened. I just squeeze the water out like that, and then I just will peel each one off as I use it. And it just helps to, like, you know, not take, like, you don't want all your paint to be drug off the canvas. So because they're damp, it won't take too much. It still takes some. I'm gonna start with some really bright colors in closer to the center. So this is a DecoArt neon pink. Pebeo Iridescent Green yellow. It's really pretty. Look at that shimmer. This is purple by Mont, and I have a little iridescent pour medium in it. I think next I'll go with 24 karat gold. I actually want to show you that in the container, because this, with the glue, makes it look less vibrant, and after it dries it'll be perfectly normal. It'll look like this. Isn't that pretty? I think next I'll go with silver. This is by DecoArt as well, and again I'll show you that one in the container. This is Phthalo Blue by Saxx, and there's a little metallic blue added to that as well. This is Cerulean Blue by Artist Loft, with a little iridescent medium in that as well. All right, and then the Cell Activator, metallic white by Artist Loft. Now I'm gonna put a good amount of this in here. I always underestimate it. I need it for both sides. think I want a little bit of black. So I think I'm gonna do them all on the side towards me, and then I'm gonna turn it around to do the other side. Because I want to be pulling towards me each time. Well, it didn't come out as colorful as I was hoping. That metallic did not really sink down through like I thought it would. It's still pretty. I'm gonna see how this is when it dries. I think some cells might pop up if it's drying. All right, so I will, I'll let this dry and see how it looks then. All right, so here it is dry. So, I'm not gonna say this is my favorite. I'm not gonna try to, more of the paint got pulled off on this half than this half up here. I'm not sure which way it would look better. I don't even know if I'll keep it. So, I guess I tried using metallic white as the cell activator and it didn't really work. I got a little bit here and like, you know, it's a little bit of cells. But the kind of neat thing is, it's really, the whole thing is really shimmery. I mean, I guess you could expect that. Wasn't thinking about it, but the whole thing, I'm gonna try to show you. See this shimmer? And that's kind of pretty. I think that it's possible I used too much. Maybe I should have thinned it out a little more. It is something I could play around with. It does give it a pretty nice look here on some parts, but overall, not my favorite. What do you think? Have any of you ever tried to use a metallic as a cell activator and had it to work? Let me know. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.